So, you want to parent some objects together. Well, go ahead and call your mom, then call your dad, and then just grab some duct tape and tape them together. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we are back in Blender 2.8 once again, taking a look at how to parent some stuff together with duct tape. So, it's super easy. I get this quite a bit though sometimes, and I figured I might as well just make a quick little video so I could just refer people to this when they ask me. So that's what I'm gonna do today. We have default cube. I'm gonna duplicate him, and he's gonna have a child. Oh, look at that! It's a boy. We're gonna go ahead and I just hit Shift D to duplicate that. Shift D. Of course, you could also have any object. You can hit Shift A and add in a UV sphere. Hit G to move it, and just, you know, whatever objects you have in your scene you want to mix together, merge together rather, sorry. Whatever object you want to be the main object, you have to select last. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna select everything except for this one, because actually, let me make more. I'm gonna make some more of these. All right, so I want this cube right here, the actual default cube, to be the base of the parent. So I want this one to be the actual parent of all of these as children. So I'm going to hold down Shift and select every object I want to be a child, right? And then last, I'm going to select the parent, which is this guy right here. Then I'm going to hit Control P. And now you can see we have set parent to, object, keep transform, without inverse, vertex triangle. You're pretty much not going to need any of these four down here. You're pretty much always going to do set parent to object. And now you can see the relationship lines have now deployed themselves like a parachute, just coming straight on out of default cube here. You see we have these lines. Now if I move these, the lines will follow. That means if I grab this guy, all of the cubes will move together, because default cube is a good father and he knows where his children are at all times. So you can move each one of the children individually by hitting G and moving them around. You can move them over here, and then it moves with it. Move over here, over here. Really cool stuff. Very, very neat. So that's how you make things parents and parent objects together so that they all move with each other. This is very useful for things like making rigs or things that have a lot of different intricate parts. So if I was making some kind of like really super high-tech looking like piece of technology, I'd have all these pieces on here like this, right? This is super high-tech right now. You have no idea about my skills. I have all these pieces, but then when I grab this guy right here, you know, none of those three move. So I want to go ahead and select these all. If I could get my cursor, there we go. Okay, fine. We'll just do this the hard way. Cool. If I select all those, then I grab this one last. You can see since I grabbed this guy right here, this is the parent now. So when I move this, everything will move together. So it's just very, very easy, very cool to do. Hope you ladies and gentlemen learned something new. If you didn't, I hope you still enjoyed it anyway. I'll see you in the next one, but until then, bye-bye.